Okay, today we're looking at equations with brackets. So we're solving equations, but before we can do that, we have to first multiply out the bracket. In this first example, I've got 4 brackets 2x minus 5, take away 3x is equal to 30. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply everything in that bracket by 4. So it's giving me 8x minus 20. Now the 3x is not part of the bracket, so I don't multiply it by anything. And now I'm going to gather together the like terms on the left-hand side. So I've got an 8x and I take away 3x. So that's going to give me 5x. And now I'm solving like a normal equation. I'm going to add 20 to each side. And I'm going to divide by 5. Okay, let's try one that's got 2 brackets in it. Okay, in this second example, I've got 8 minus 3 times 5x plus 1 is equal to 2 times x minus 8 plus 4. So I'm going to go through and multiply out the brackets first. Now the 8 is not involved in the brackets, so the 8 is going to stay where it is. And I'm multiplying that bracket by negative 3. That negative belongs to the 3. So negative 3 times 5x, I've got minus 15x. Negative 3 times 1, Okay, in this final example, I've got 6x plus 1 minus x minus 7 is equal to 6 minus 2 times 5 minus 4x. As before, I'm going to be multiplying out the brackets first of all. On the right hand side, it's quite easy for me to see that the negative 2 is what's multiplying that bracket. On the left hand side, there's no number in front of the bracket. I'm just taking away that bracket. And remember in algebra, if there's no number there, it means 1. So I'm actually multiplying that bracket on the left by negative 1. So 6x plus 1 are nothing to do with the bracket, so that stays the same. Multiplying by negative 1, I get negative x plus 7. 6 is nothing to do with the brackets. Negative 2 times 5 minus 10. Negative 2 times negative 4x is plus 8x. Now I'm going to gather together the like terms on each side. So on the left hand side I've got 6x minus x. So I've got 5x, and I've got 1 plus 7. On the right hand side I've just got an 8x, and I've got 6 minus 10, so I've got minus 4. Now I want to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other. I'm trying to avoid having a negative x, so I'm going to take away 5x from both sides, and I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So on the left hand side the 8 is staying, and I'm adding 4. It's coming from the other side. The 8x is staying where it is, and I'm taking away 5x. So 12 is equal to 3x, which means 3x is equal to 12. And I divide by 3, which gives me x equal to 4.